This 100 acres farmhouse is a nature's abode, has a huge lake, a private villa with a swimming pool and cottages to stay, and a lot of major activities to do. Hi, my name is Roshni and I'm at Shetty Farms in Dahanu, located just 2 hours away from Mumbai. I'll be giving you a walkthrough of this huge farmhouse through this voiceover. So come on, let's get started. Shetty Farms, located along the foothills of Sahyadri range in Dahanu, is a perfect countryside farm stay for families and group getaways. The property offers villa, cottages and camp type of accommodation as per your needs. Lot of outdoor activities like educational camps and tours, camping and bonfire, archery, boating, farming and village tours, cycling, etc. are some of the few major activities you can do over here. The entrance to the 3-bedroom villa at Shetty Farms opens to a huge living space with basic furniture. The living room is accentuated to a swimming pool from the left and dining area alongside kitchen. The villa has 1 bedroom on the ground and around 25 people can be accommodated in this whole independent villa. Stairs are leading up to other 2 bedrooms on the upper deck. Let's go and find out. The best part about all these rooms at this villa is that they are all pool facing alongside the beautiful scenic views of Sahyadris and the rest of the farms. Huge rooms, huge washrooms. Wait, did you spot one jacuzzi here? Well, this was villa specially for group stays. Let's head to cottages which are best suited for couples, built with a modern twist in a rustic place. The booking comes with meals provided by the property staff, and all the meals over here are so delicious, so homely and soul satisfying. That lakeside candlelight dinner was such a lovely setup for us. Such arrangements can be placed on request by you. Overall, the stay at Shetty Farms is nature relishing, comforting as well as rustic. Hope this video was helpful. All the information related to bookings are listed in the description.
Ready? One. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Oh my God.
ये बर्थडे था
क्या था? वापिस क्या था?
बर्थडे है
ऐसा होना चाहिए
चाहिए